Now for the last Quideo for chapters 9 for 11, the AP problem. For the AP question, we are comparing two pet stores and their lengths of fish. One store is Fish Friends, and the other is Buy Right Pets. Now, as well, we are going to be using phantoms, of which again, P, our parameter, of which is being measured, is the length of fish from the two different pet stores. Now for H, MF means Fish Friends, and MB means Buy Right Pets. For our null hypothesis, MB is equal to MF, and for our alternate hypothesis, MB is less than MF. Now for our assumptions, we have an SRS of 8 from Buy Right Pets and 10 from Fish Friends. We are going to assume this is normal, but proceed with a little bit of caution. For our N, we are going to use a two-sample t-test, of which on top we will have x bar 1 minus x bar 2 minus mu 1 minus mu 2 over the square root of the standard deviation of the first one squared over n, the first one, plus standard deviation of the second one squared over n2. Now for our t, we're actually going to do the test. In our TI-83, we will go to stat, tests, then to the two-sample t-test, input our information, set m1 less than m2, and calculate it. Okay, for our O, we will obtain the p-value, and if you calculate it in your TI-83, our p-value will be 0.3996, our degrees of freedom will be 15.9999, and our alpha value is going to be 0.05. For our M, we're making a conclusion, and since our p-value is greater than our alpha value, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And for our final bit of phantoms, our statement that it is significant, we fail to reject the null hypothesis that Fish Friends fish length equals Buy Right Pets fish length because the p-value is greater than the alpha value.
Created using Powtoon.